the Science Guy. Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Today we'll be talking about surge. So what is surge? And how is it any different than stalling? In a compressor, there are two different main phenomena that relate to engine power loss. The first is stalling. Stalling is a temporary loss of power to the engine.
Go.
Surge is when there is a complete loss of engine power. When this occurs, the high pressure gas that is in front of the fan blade causes a reversal of flow, destroying many parts of the compressor. For this reason, there's a great deal of research in looking to reduce the instabilities which lead to this loss of power.
Consider this example situation. A tire is being filled with air from a compressor. The air just outside of the compressor is 1. The air going into the tire is 2. The velocity at 1 is initially large. The pressure at 1 is smaller than the pressure at 2, and accordingly, the velocity at 2 is small. However, as the pressure begins to build within the tire, the velocity at 2 approaches 0. The velocity at 1 must also accordingly decrease. Eventually we are left with a large pressure behind the fan blade, P2, and a smaller pressure in front of the fan blade, P1. As the fan pushes against the resistance of P2, it eventually loses its compressive force, causing a rapid reversal of the fan blade direction. This is known as surge.
Surge is a phenomenon that occurs in compressors. One of the cases you are probably most familiar with is a case that occurs with compressors used to inflate car tires. In this instance, it makes a horrifying sound, as you can see here. However, there are many other real-world applications of compressors. One of the most extreme cases of surge occurs in jet engines. Jet engines have many fan blades in the beginning intaking air, compressing it before it reaches the combustor. When there's a flow instability within the jet turbine, it causes a complete loss of compression, causing this to happen. In jet engines, one of the main causes of this instability deals with a cool burning flame or a lack of oxygen to the flame. As we can see, surge is a very important phenomenon to take into account in compressor design. It's also a very important application of fluid mechanics to mechanical engineering. As mechanical engineers, we must take into account the surge line, the point at which surge occurs, in our design of compressors to ensure that our product is safe and has a long lifetime.
Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill Nye the